Hi, this is from Vijayakumar, Assistant Professor, Head of the Department of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today I discussed another one topic of laser and fiber optics. The next types of laser, CO2, that is a gas laser example. So the introduction of CO2 laser, the carbon dioxide laser, our highest power continuous wave laser is currently available in that. They are also quite efficiency. The ratio of output power to pump power can be as large as 20%. So the CO2 laser produces a beam of infrared light with the principal wavelength band centering on 9.6 to 10.6 micrometer. So this is a instrumentation feature we form in our research lab in IIT and NIT, CO2 laser. First, the principle, it is a first molecular and 4-level gas laser, and is a very useful and effective laser and operated in 10.62 for in IR regions. The vibration mode of CO2 molecule is a 3. One is symmetrical stretching mode, asymmetric stretching mode, and bending mode. In this mode, the first one we discuss, the symmetric stretching mode. The carbon atom is fixed and the two oxygen vibrated is opposite direction. The asymmetric, the carbon atom vibrate in one direction and the both oxygen atom vibrate in the other direction. The bending mode, the carbon atom move in the upward direction, two oxygen atom move in the downward directions. The construction, the discharge tube is made up of a quartz and filled by CO2, nitrogen and helium, the ratio of 0.33, 1.2, 7 millimeter of mercury. The nitrogen helps to populate the atom in highest energy level of CO2. The helium helps to depopulate it. The atom is lower level of CO2 and the cooling is discharge tube. The discharge tube is connected with the DC power supply. The end of the tube are fitted with the NaCl booster window and the two concave mirror is kept in the optical resonator to be active. So this is a block diagram in the CO2 laser. Then working, when the discharge current is passed through the mixture of gases, the electron collide with the nitrogen atom and nitrogen atom are raised in this existent state. So the N2 plus electron gives N2 star. The existed N2 star atom collide with the ground state atom of CO2 molecules atom. Therefore, CO2 atom rises in a higher energy level. N2 star plus CO2 gives CO2 star plus N2. When the population inversion is achieved, then the laser action takes place. This is the energy level diagram of CO2 molecules laser. So the three transition is formed. One is E5 to E4. That is a form of transition generated a laser beam at the average length of 10.6 micrometer. E5 to E3 transition, they produce a laser beam of wavelength 9.6 micrometer. And E3 to E2, the transition from E4 to E2, the transition is not a radiation, so that is called as a non-radioactive places. So the nature of output, the pulsed and continuous output, the output power coming out from the laser is 10 kilowatt. Application, the low cost in relation to power capability. High efficiency, the output pump ratio is 20% greater. The wide possible variation in output power, then long lifetime. So the advantages of CO2 laser is a high output power and easily to be constructed and simple modification to be change of the output ranges. Then disadvantages, the mainly is contamination because the mixture of gases to produce in contamination and corrosion it form in the glass. So the output of the power it become slightly change from that. So the many advantages and also disadvantages to form in that. This is all the reference I prepared this PPT to the form of CO2 laser. Thank you very much. We discuss in another one topic in another one video lectures.